61 drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Right away, Mojo barely missing their shot on the other side of the field. Looks like the Cyber Colonels are going to line up for a shot of their own. They're scoring up top for blue. Techno-Ticks grabbing a second note. See if they could get that in with 3 seconds left. Yep, they managed to do so. And that'll put blue at a lead entering teleop with 5 notes in. They're close to that melody as well. Right away on the Red Alliance side of the field, Panther Project throwing one in the speaker. Mojo following up. Team Max looking for their note, but they barely miss that amp shot. On the other side, Cyber Colonels with an amplified note scored. Their partners, the Techno-Ticks, can they get an amplified shot in as well? Looks like they might manage to do so. And that was scored with the amp. Partners, the Cyber Colonels, getting in just a bit too late to take advantage of that increased scoring. But that note does bring the Blue Alliance up to halfway to the melody ranking point. Meanwhile, on the other side of the field, Team Max looking for another note in the amp. They're ready to amplify now. Their partners, Mojo, barely missing their shot, but now they can get 5 points instead of 2 for that one if they so choose. And they do, amping up their scoring potential. Their partners, the Panther Project, have about 5 seconds to get this note in there as well, and they manage. Team Max ready to go, bringing another note back, trying to keep those amplified cycles roaring, while Mojo scores an unamplified one for the time being. 12 notes for the Red Alliance, 13 notes for blue, and with 1 minute left, it's going to be a bit tough for these teams to get these melody ranking points. Cyber Colonel's going to put another one up for blue with the amplification running, and that's going to draw their lead out to 60 points. Meanwhile, on the red side, Mojo manages to score, but the Panther Project barely missing the amplified shot. Mojo going back to the Red Alliance source to grab yet another note. Cyber Colonels have put up a note past the melody, and that means Blue Alliance will be getting a ranking point at the end of this match. Meanwhile, for Red, Team Max driving to the other side of the chain. They're getting ready to pull up, but their partners, the Panther Project, just can't seem to find the room to get with them. Instead, they're going to go center stage. While on the other side of the field, it's the Ticks looking for a climb with their partners, the Cyber Colonels. They could get 2 climbs. They could get the ensemble with that trap already secured. And can they do it? Looks like the Ticks will fall just at the last second. Score of 82 to 48. That's going to be 3 ranking points for blue, raising the Techno-Ticks up to that 3rd position, upsetting Mojo and dropping them down to 4th after that one.